Hey all, welcome to Tailoring Tales. Today I'm showing you an easy way to cut narrow palazzo pant. Narrow palazzo pant is a type of pant in which the waistline is slightly loose but the bottom has a narrow end. These are the measurements we need. Let's quickly start the video. Draw a straight line. Keeping an half inch of margin, I am cutting off the extra fabric. On the margin, mark waist round measurement plus 4 inches extra. In my measurement, total waist round is 40. Now I added 4 inches extra and I got 44 inches. 1/4 of 44 is 11 inches and I add 1 inch extra for pleat. Now I marked 12 inches in the margin line. From the point, mark half of your crotch length, deducting belt width from it. In my measurement, it is 13. My waistband width is 1 inch. After deducting 1 inch, I got 12 inches. Now I am marking half of my thigh round measurement. Now connect the 2 points and give a curve shape on the corner. Now mark half of your waistline measurement. In my measurement, it is 6 inches. We are going to mark total length of palazzo pant. In my measurement, it is 36. Deducting 1 inch of waistband length, I will get 35. I need extra 1.5 inch for angle fold as I am keeping an 1 inch fold. If you are keeping more than that, you can add accordingly. On the marked line, mark the same 6 inch from your side. On the marked point, mark half of your angle round measurement. In my measurement, total angle round is 12 inches. Half of it is 6 inches. So I kept tape on the marked point and marked 3 inches on each side. Connect the 2 points. Now using a leg shaper or curved ruler, draw the sides. You don't need to add extra seam allowances for cutting as we have already included 4 inch of ease in waistline. Cut on the marked lines. Keeping the front portion as our pattern, let's mark the back side portion also. For this, place the fabric as we did before. On waistline and crotch line, add extra 2 inches. Connect the lines. Give a curve shape as we did before. Give extra 2 inches. If you wish, you can deduct it into 1 or 1.5 as you reach the end portion or the bottom line. Shape the points using curved ruler or leg shaper. Cut on the marked lines. We got our front portion and back portion. Now we have to cut for the belt. Using the folded side of your fabric, measure total length of your waistline as I did. Now we got a folded lengthy fabric. From the folded side, I will mark width of my waistband. In my measurement, waistband width is 1 inch. I will add ½ inch extra for seam allowance. Cutting of our palazzo pant is completed. I will show you stitching in my next video.